2027 का बिड AIFF ने किया था, which is going to happen in Saudi Arabia in 2 years time. अभी वो बिड हम लोग रहता, अगर जीतता तो we would be playing in 2027. It would be hosted in India, which was the right time for us, because if we want to move ahead, we've done under 17. We've been playing Asia Cup regularly, so it was the right time for us to host 2027 Asia Cup. But कल्याण चौबे goes to Saudi, क्या डील करके आया, पूरा विड्रॉ कर लिया. Now suddenly 2031 का बिड कर रहा है after 4 years. What is the difference? 2027 का सबसे अच्छा मौका था, सबसे बेस्ट अपॉर्चुनिटी था. ओनली सऊदी एंड इंडिया का चांस था, बिकॉज कतार ने होस्ट किया लास्ट एशिया कप. वी हैड अ वेरी गुड चांस ऑफ विनिंग इट एंड होस्टिंग इट इन इंडिया, एंड ही इज बैक्ड आउट. एंड उसमें क्या डील किया अंडर द टेबल, व्हिच आई हैव बीन सेइंग दैट इट हैज टू बी इन्वेस्टिगेटेड properly by a neutral, somebody neutral has to investigate this, what the deal. And he's come back with a deal saying that Santosh Trophy हम सऊदी में खिलाएगा. So he's taken Santosh Trophy of India to Saudi Arabia, 1 year करा के आया, and Saudi Association के साथ I don't know what agreement करके है development का बाद, वो signature करने के बाद we have not seen any development that is happened with Saudi. I don't know what is going on. So there are a lot of this dodgy deals which has come under Kalyan. Now 2031, the interest abhi jo, there are 7 countries who's put interest to host Asia Cup. Why is it now all of a sudden coming in, which is going to be tougher, because aapka Uzbekistan is just qualified for World Cup. Central Asia has not hosted Asia Cup for many years. There are Uzbekistan, Kazakhstan, and I think Tajikistan or Turkmenistan, they are coming together to host it. There are other countries who are bidding it, are interested, which is going to be very, very difficult. So when you have the opportunities, this kind of deals has been going. I'll give you a few examples as well. Now, look at AIFF. First time in history of AIFF, aaj tak, till today, nobody knows who is the winner of I-League. किसी को मालूम नहीं. It is shocking. It just shows how bad the management is. They should have stopped the league, I-League, when the controversy happened. They should have had 3-4 matches remaining. Decide whatever, whoever gets the point, deducts the point. उस समय ही decision करना था, and then tell them this is the decision. You've got another 4 matches to play. Then, if you had played, anybody winning or losing would have been happy. But continue करने दिया. Every club is being unfairly treated because